Hello, hello, hello. We're slowly winding down for the year. Bit of advance notice. I think the channel's going to take December off. We'll talk about it later. But before we go, I'm going to make a few short episodes looking at some other fairly major programs that are available on Haiku. So, we all live on the web these days, right? So, what's on the web? HTML files. So you'd think, well, there must be a way to quickly write an HTML file. Truth is, no, there isn't. We've got two programs in the depot that I want to take a look at. Okay, let's first look at, where is it? Globe. Okay. Well, first thing you see is there's supposed to be a top bar, which we can switch off. So there's supposed to be a kind of toolbar here, but nothing appears in it. Well, at least it doesn't crash as much as it used to, but, well, what makes this an HTML editor? I can't see there's anything really wrong. But let's open this file here, which I have. Okay, it's got syntax highlighting. All right. Apart from that, this is really just a text editor. Doesn't have easy ways to add elements, It's not in the menus, and the toolbar is not working. So yeah, I recommend you give this one a miss. Okay, let's have a look at the other one, Bluefish. This clearly is not a native app, but it doesn't look too bad. Okay, let's see what we can do here. And again, we've got, let's see if we can, hello. And the problem I have with this one is that it is not responding to my keyboard. So, or to the mouse. Okay. There we go, there we go. It's just a bit slow, actually. Don't know if you can hear me tapping manically on my keyboard and nothing much seems to be happening. So this is not really usable either. This isn't the problem that it would used to be. It's probably why nobody has looked at these programs for a long time. Nowadays, the easier way to do this is to write your file in Markdown and just convert it to HTML. We have had a look at Markdown editors. And that is just a much easier way to create your HTML files. But right now, I wouldn't recommend either of these programs. Right. However, there is something else I want to show you. It doesn't appear from Tracker, but Genie, also not a native program, it's a mini IDE. And so rather than globe, I would say here you get the same syntax highlighting. And I don't have Coder on this particular VM, but I imagine it would have HTML highlighting as well. So if you have to know proper HTML, then something like Genie or PE or Coder, even styled edit, you know, anything that gives you highlighting so that you can have some idea of where your problem is will probably serve as well. But it appears we do not have anything like a WYSIWYG HTML editor. Yeah, sorry about that. Well, thanks for watching. See you next time.